Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Alvord, and today I will be showing you my final project. And for my final project I have made a 2-player chess game. And how it works is you have this like cursor character that can be moved around the board, and it uses the keyboard, it uses the WASD keys to move that cursor around. And then, so white goes first. So what we'll do is you put the cursor over the piece that you want to move, and then you press Q to pick it up. And when you do pick it up, you'll hear there's like a little tone that's played by the board, and then also the little cursor character changes, like it's holding on to the piece. And then where you just move the cursor to where you want to put it. So let's say I want to put it there, and then you press the E key to drop the piece. And then you'll hear, of course, it plays that tone again, or a different tone this time actually, it's a third step down I believe. And then of course the cursor changes back to the open hand. And then it's black's turn. So of course the second player, using the same WASD keys, will then go and select whatever piece they want to move. So let's say I want to move this black pawn here, and then place it wherever they would like. And then let's say I went over here and moved this piece. Then if I was playing black, I could then like take, this bishop here, and then go down and capture this pawn. So now of course if I leave behind, you'll see it's just the bishop there now. And a special feature of this game that I added was kind of like a rudimentary like chess clock. And what it is the 7-segment display is counting down for each turn, and it counts down for about 75 seconds. And it resets, so every time you go to pick up a piece, once you place that piece down, it resets the counter so that, and it of course begins the next turn. So now black has 75 seconds to move one of their pieces. One of the hardest things about making this project was figuring out which character to set down when I'm like dropping it. Because for each character for each chess piece there are 4 different characters. Of course there's the 2 variations, white and black, but there's also the 2 variations of which color square it's on. So figuring out, like if I picked up, a black pawn on a red square, when I place it down on like this square, knowing that it would be a black pawn on a white square, that was quite a challenge. Something I enjoyed most about this project was just seeing it all come together, because that was kind of a magical moment once you like get to sit down and then play this game with your friends. That was really cool. So yeah, that's my project, and I hope you enjoyed.